Ever heard of Asana? It's that popular project management tool that seems to be popping up everywhere. But here's the burning question. Is it free, or do you need to break the bank to use it? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what Asana actually is. It's a cloud-based collaboration and project management software designed to help teams organize, plan, and track their work. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. But is this powerful tool a freebie, or do you need to pay to play? Asana's free plan. Let's start with the good news. Yes, Asana does offer a free plan. This basic version gives you access to a core set of features, including task creation and management. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Project creation. You can organize your tasks into projects and set project goals. Basic communication features. You can comment on tasks and projects and assign due dates. Limited storage. The free plan comes with a limited amount of storage for your files. What's missing in the free plan? While the free plan is a great starting point, it's important to note that it's missing some key features that you might need for more complex projects or larger teams. These features include advanced reporting and analytics. The free plan doesn't provide detailed reports or analytics to help you track your team's productivity and performance. Customizable workflows. You can't create custom workflows to automate repetitive tasks or streamline your team's processes. Unlimited storage. If you need to store a large number of files, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Advanced collaboration features. The free plan doesn't offer advanced collaboration features like time tracking, proofing, and approvals. Paid plans. If you need these advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to one of Asana's paid plans. Asana offers 3 paid plans. Premium. This plan includes features like advanced reporting, customizable workflows, and unlimited storage. Business. This plan includes all the features of the premium plan, plus advanced collaboration features like time tracking, proofing, and approvals. Enterprise. This plan is designed for large organizations with complex needs. It includes all the features of the business plan, plus additional features like custom branding, advanced security, and dedicated support. Comparing the plans. To help you decide which plan is right for you, let's compare the key features and pricing of each plan. Free plan. Basic features, limited storage, no advanced reporting or analytics. Premium. Advanced reporting, customizable workflows, unlimited storage, starting at $10.99 per user per month. Business. All features of premium, plus advanced collaboration features, starting at $24.99 per user per month. Enterprise. All features of business, plus custom branding, advanced security, and dedicated support. Pricing is available upon request. Additional factors to consider. When choosing an Asana plan, there are a few additional factors to consider. Team size. If you have a large team, you'll need to choose a plan that can handle the increased workload. Project complexity. If you're working on complex projects that require advanced features, you'll need to choose a plan that includes those features. Budget. Asana's paid plans can be expensive, so it's important to consider your budget before making a decision. So, is Asana a paid tool? The short answer is yes and no. Asana offers a free plan that gives you access to basic features, but if you need advanced features or unlimited storage, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're not sure which plan is right for you, I encourage you to try Asana's free plan and see if it meets your needs. You can also check out Asana's website for more information on their pricing and features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.